Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we shall share information on how to withdraw the Hamster Kombat. As you can see guys, this project is really going viral. So if you're not yet on this project, make sure you jump on it so that you don't lose out when it goes live. Okay, people are going to make money out of this project. Okay, so guys, when you go on YouTube, you see videos people showing others how to withdraw this coin, but you can't withdraw this coin at this moment because it hasn't yet gone live. Okay, when it goes live, that's when you'll be able to withdraw this coin. So at the moment, people are not selling their accounts on social media, whereby you can share your account to anyone and then the person will buy it for a few dollars. Okay, so right now when you come to this airdrop option here, you can see that it shows connect your Ton wallet. So basically it means you'll be able to trade this Hamster Kombat on your Ton wallet. Okay, so if you come here, you can come and search for my Ton wallet. I have it. And if you don't have the Ton wallet, you go ahead to Play Store and then download the Ton wallet. Okay, so after downloading it, come here and tap on connect, then just proceed over here and then connect. So for my case, I won't be connecting it because coin hasn't yet gone live. Okay, but make sure you connect it if you have it. Right, so when you come here, you come to exchange over here, you keep on mining and mining until you have enough coins, guys. Right, so when you come to earn over here, you also have some few tasks you can carry out, and then just come back to the mine option here. You can also decide to buy one of these ones. If you buy this one over here, these are more like trading powers or mining powers. You can buy this one for 319 coins. So just tap on go ahead, then you buy it, and when you buy it, your mining speed will be increased. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.